today's an exciting day. We are currently at the key handoff for our first family who was impacted by the hurricanes September 26th of last year. They came to us in early October. They were able to choose their floor plan. We were able to permit, remove the old home that was here previously, and we have fully completed the home, and they are going to be in their home less than 1 year from when they had to move out due to being severely impacted by the storm waters. So this is a really exciting day. We have our team here with us now. They're going to be getting their home so their family can move back in and get their life back to a sense of normalcy to what it was a year ago at this time.
So we flooded on Friday, and we have emails from Guy on Monday the next morning helping us pick out our floor plan, which is it's just incredible. You guys helped our family so much. And I know, Lunas gets the job of having the structure here, but so much of it is the work that happens behind the scenes. Sharon and all of you permitting, that's one of the biggest parts. True is doing everything, Nicole and I bonded over our shared experience. But we can't thank you guys enough for what you've done for our family. It's not just walls and a roof to us. This was the hope that we needed to get through this last year, so we really appreciate it.
I didn't think making the first phone call guy that we would end up here. So you guys turned building a home from this scary monster process that probably was not possible for anyone who wasn't ridiculously rich or had a bunch of resources to something that felt easy. This was easy to do compared to what we thought it was going to be. So yeah, that was amazing, really awesome. So thank you everybody for. I don't know, it's who would have thought that knocking down your knocking down your destroyed house would have been a positive experience. I don't know. Yeah, it's cool.
Well, yeah, again, thank you guys for letting us in your home today and you sharing your experience. I mean, it's super important to everybody in the room every day to build houses for folks like yourself. I'm a dad of 4 kids. I'm a Tampa resident, born and raised here. So for us to be able to help families like you is what gets me up in the morning and gets me going and working with people like this. So. Thank you for letting us in your home. Thank you for trusting us. You did have options. There's other builders, there's other remodelings, there's other things you could have done, but you picked up the phone, you called us, you put your faith in Guy and Domain Homes to do this, and I'm thrilled that you guys chose us, and we don't lose sight of that when people do select us. So thank you again for today.